Hi guys! So this is the fifth part of our basic web development series. So in this part man, we focus on learning about the HTML list. Okay. So there are two types pagdating sa mga HTML list. We have first yung unordered list and the other one are the ordered list. So yung unordered list are yung list na kung saan bullet list. Ito, parang ganito. Yung ordered list naman is yung katulad ng numeric, katulad nito, o di kaya yung alphabet. So, magkakasunod-sunod sila. So, those are ordered lists. Okay? So, let's try to know more on about sa unordered list. So, unordered list starts with the UL tag. Each list item starts with the LI tag. The list items will be marked with bullets with a small circle by default. So ito yung output, sample output na meron tayo, and ito naman yung code. Now, let's try to copy this code and go to our Sublime in our file and place a code. Save natin. Run natin yung site natin. Yan. So, ito yung sample ng list. Bullet list siya. So, what if gusto nating baguhin yung marker dito? What if hindi solid na circle? So, merong way para sa mga ganon. So, punta tayo sa item marker. So, the CSS list style type property is used to define the style of the list item marker. So a value for the list style type, it can be this, circle, square, and none, or none. So yung this, by default, yan yung ito, yung solid nga circle. Now, let me try to copy this one. Ito na lang lahat. And lagay natin dito sa baba. Refresh. Ito. So, yung dito, yung default, ito naman yung merong list style type na circle. Kung ilalagay ko yan this, ano yung spelling nun? C pala. Yan. Then refresh. So, magkatulad ng sila. Pero, if I'm going to change it with other, sabihin kong square, save, refresh, yun, para siyang square na. So, let me try to zoom that one para at least ma-differentiate natin. Yun, circle dito na solid using the this, and square naman dito. Pero what if gusto mong walang marker? Then just place none. Yan. Okay? So, that's how we manipulate the marker for a list. So, next tayo. Okay, so ito naman yung ordered list. An ordered list starts with the OL tag. Each list item starts with the LI tag. The list items will be marked with numbers by default. So, ito yung sample output niya. So, ito naman yung sample code. So, by default, number yung makikita natin dito. Okay? But pwede rin natin palitan yan nung sabihin natin letter, so di kaya human numeral. So, okay, so let me try to copy this code. Yung ordered list starts with OL. Okay, yung unordered, UL naman. So, save natin and refresh. Yan, 1, 2, 3. So, pero what if gusto nating palitan instead na number, gawin nating letter? So, pwede yan. So, pag next tayo. So, ito yung tinatawag sa part na the type attribute ng list. So, the type attribute basically only works on the ordered list. Okay? So, it defines the type of the list item marker. So, the value of the type attribute can be 1 or the number, letter na capital or small, and human numeral or a human numeral na small. So, ito yung sample code niya. So, let me try to copy and paste it here. Save natin. Check natin. Yan. Pwede siyang letters na. So, what if lagay ko yung malaking letters? It will happen. Refresh. Okay. What if human numeral? Refresh. Yan. What if maliit na human numeral? Refresh. Yan. Okay. So, that's how we manage yung part ng list sa unordered at saka sa ordered list. And also, the markers na meron yung mga list natin. Okay? Okay guys, so quick activity naman tayo. So in this part, we're going to create a simple website by following the sample image at the right side. So ito. So the learning HTML list will serve as our heading. So we can use H1 for that. Then, meron tayong mga list dito. So basically, this list na merong 1, 2, and 3, and 4 are considered the ordered list. So basically, naka-bold din siya. Then, dito naman, merong mga sublist na dito, naka-alphabet, yung ordered list niya. Dito naman, we use here yung unordered. Dito naman, we use yung ordered list, but human numeral. Then, dito, yung unordered naman, pero using square. Okay? So, dapat ganun yung structure niya na parang naka-indent yung mga sublist. Okay? Okay. Sige, gawin natin. So, on my end, I'm going to delete muna to para maging malinis. Refresh. Okay, let me start with the LI. LI, I mean yung sa heading. So, ano yung heading natin? Learning HTML list. Learning HTML list. Save and refresh. Okay, so based sa sample naka-center siya. So pwede naman natin center yan. So text align. Not class. Style pala. Text align center. Okay. So, first is, yung gagawin natin is yung mga outside list. So, gagawa tayo ng OL since it is ordered list naman. Then, LI. Ilang LI meron? Meron tayong 4. So the first topic will be HTML or the hypertext markup language or HTML. Check natin kung tama. Yan, may number siya. Yung iba wala pang laman. So dapat daw naka-bold siya. So we're going to use strong. Check natin. Okay, okay na yan. Then, I want to copy this one para madali tayo. Then, I want to delete just to have a placeholder lang. Okay. Next is, ano yung cascading style sheets. Cascading style sheets. Okay. Then yung CSS. Next is yung PHP hypertext preprocessor. So PHP hypertext preprocessor. Tama yan? PHP. Next is yung structured query language. is structured query language or SQL. Okay, save natin. Okay, so palakihin ko lang ng barya. Yan. Okay. So, next is, ito namang yung mga sublist. So, paano natin ilalagay ito na parang naka-indent siya? So, let's start with the HTML headings. Try muna natin yung li na ganon. So, HTML headings. Save. So, hindi pwede. So, yung gagawin nating solution for that one is ilalagay natin sa loob ng li. So, since it is ordered list, so gagawa tayo ng OL. So, indent lang natin para at least makita natin yung na itong OL is under li. So, refresh natin. Yan. So, instead na 1, palitan natin yung type niya to A. Yan. Okay. So, copy na lang ako. So, paragraphs, links, images, at saka tables. Paragraphs, links, images, and tables. Save natin. Refresh. Tingnan natin. Yun. Kahit pa paano, tama na siya. So, next yung CSS. So, since it is unordered, so ilagay rin natin dito sa loob. Then, papalitin natin to ng UL. Then, dito, ilalagay natin yung style. List style type. Then, ang sample dito, it is a circle. Circle nilalagay natin. Then, CSS. Okay. Then, backgrounds, borders, margins, paddings, fonts. Background, border, margins, padding, tsaka fonts. Save. Refresh. Okay, so last two more. Human numeral naman, so it is ordered. So, copy ko to. Then, palitan ko to ng I. Then, lagyan natin PHP. Okay. Then, yung text is variable, data types, variables, data types, if else if, if else if, then while loops. Okay, then arrays. Save, then refresh. Okay. Okay, the last part is the SQL. So it is unordered. Just try to copy this one and paste it here. So yung type niya will be square. Then palitan natin to ng SQL. Then yung select where select where insert into, tapos update at saka delete. Update, delete. Okay, save, refresh. Yan. Okay na. So, okay, dahil malapad yung screen natin, hindi natin na pa-follow masyado ito. Kasi nga, maliit yung container niya. So, but of course, kahit papaano, we did implement or followed yung nandito sa image and nagawa natin sa website. Okay? So, I think that's it. I hope you learned something new today, guys, regarding the list, yung unordered list at saka yung ordered list. So, just keep practicing on that matter, guys. Masanay din kayo, especially sa mga nested na mga list. Okay, so I think that's it. Thank you for watching and goodbye for now.